You run a construction, trades, or home service business. And you're smart, too. Not like one of these chuck in the truck bozos. You want to run a dialed business that's fully systemized, makes great money, provides opportunity for your team, and allows you to maintain some balance, to pursue your passions and be present for your family. Because growth at the sake of sanity, it just doesn't work. Here's the thing. Growing a business like yours is not easy. You've got tricky customers, a shrinking labor market, cash flow crunches that come out of nowhere, and fly-by-nighters that are constantly trying to underbid you. Like, it's brutal. Sure, there are plenty of business books, and apparently everyone and their dog is now a business coach. But none of them really get your industry. Good news, because Breakthrough Academy exists for one simple reason: to transform honest, hardworking contractors into well-balanced leaders and thriving entrepreneurs. And we do that by implementing the Contractor Growth Method, the only business system purpose-built for construction, trades, and home services. Because you can't outwork a dysfunctional business, but you don't need to reinvent the wheel either. We've already systemized over 1,500 businesses just like yours, with our industry-leading content, our credentialed coaches, and our powerful community of over 1,000 entrepreneurs. If you've been looking for your tribe, this is it. And the numbers, they speak for themselves. Look, you don't need to go through this grind alone. Say no to the mediocrity, the stress, the fractured relationships that agonize most contractors. You deserve to run the business you've always dreamt of, and we are here to help you do exactly that. Connect with us today, and let's see if Breakthrough Academy is right for you.